Hey there, fellow adventurers! Welcome back to our channel as we dive headfirst into the thrilling world of free travel. Get ready for opportunities like free flights and accommodations that will make your travel dreams a reality. Whether you're a budget-conscious backpacker, a digital nomad craving adventure, or someone seeking to explore the world without breaking the bank, this video is your golden ticket to a world of free travel possibilities. Remember, your support means the world to us. Like, subscribe, and let's continue exploring the globe without breaking the bank. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Volunteer or work exchange programs. Many organizations and platforms offer opportunities to volunteer or work in exchange for food and accommodation. Examples include WOOF, Worldwide Opportunities on Organic Farms, Workaway, and HelpX. You can find placements worldwide and have unique experiences while significantly reducing your costs. The WOOF specifically focuses on organic farming experiences, allowing travelers to immerse themselves in sustainable agriculture practices and learn about organic farming firsthand. In return for your efforts on the farm, hosts provide a place to stay and delicious meals made from locally sourced ingredients. It's an excellent way to connect with nature, learn new skills, and experience the rhythms of rural life. Workaway and HelpX, on the other hand, offer a broader range of opportunities beyond farming. These platforms connect travelers with hosts who require assistance with various tasks such as language teaching, childcare, hostel work, housekeeping, gardening, animal care, and more. By offering your skills and time, you can enjoy free accommodation and often meals too. Number 2. Couchsurfing. Couchsurfing is a popular and vibrant community that enables travelers to find free accommodation and connect with locals all around the world. It offers a unique and authentic way to experience a destination while fostering cultural exchange and building meaningful connections. Couchsurfing works on the principle of surfing someone's couch or spare room for a short period of time. It provides a platform where hosts offer their homes to travelers, providing them with a place to sleep for free. Couchsurfing is not just about a free place to stay. It's also about building connections and embracing cultural immersion. Many hosts are enthusiastic about showing their guests around their city, sharing insider tips, and introducing them to local customs. This can lead to unforgettable experiences and a deeper understanding of the destination, free of charge. Number 3. House-sitting. House-sitting is a unique arrangement where individuals take care of someone else's home while they are away. It involves assuming temporary responsibility for various household tasks, such as watering plants, collecting mail, caring for pets, and ensuring the security of the property. It allows travelers to immerse themselves in different cultures, experience local lifestyles, and enjoy unique destinations without breaking the bank. House-sitting assignments can vary in duration, from a few days to several months, depending on the homeowner's needs and travel plans. Trusted house-sitters, house carers, and Nomador are some examples of house-sitting platforms that you can browse to find good house-sitting opportunities. It's essential to create a compelling profile that showcases your reliability, trustworthiness, and relevant experience on these platforms. Number 4. Volunteering abroad. Volunteering abroad offers a unique opportunity to explore new destinations, meet like-minded individuals, and create lasting memories, all while giving back. There are numerous organizations and programs dedicated to facilitating volunteering opportunities abroad, like International Volunteer HQ, IVHQ, Projects Abroad, and Volunteer World. These organizations connect volunteers with projects that align with their skills, interests, and values. Certain volunteer programs offer free accommodation and meals in exchange for the volunteer's contribution of time and skills. This allows individuals to travel on a tight budget or even for free. When selecting a volunteer program, consider the duration of the project, the specific tasks involved, and the support provided by the organization. It's important to have a clear understanding of the expectations and responsibilities before committing to a volunteering opportunity. Number 5. Travel grants and scholarships. Travel grants and scholarships are opportunities that provide individuals with the means to travel for free or at a significantly reduced cost. These programs are often offered by educational institutions, nonprofit organizations, government agencies, and private foundations. They are designed to support individuals who have a desire to explore the world, gain cultural experiences, engage in research, or pursue educational opportunities abroad. Travel grants and scholarships can cover various aspects of travel expenses, including transportation, accommodation, meals, and even program fees. They are typically awarded based on a set of criteria, which may include academic achievement, financial need, specific research or study interests, leadership potential, or commitment to community service. But where to apply for these scholarships? If you are a student, start by contacting the Study Abroad office at your educational institution. They often maintain a list of scholarships and grants available to students for international travel and study. You can also apply on scholarship search engines and international scholarships programs. Here is a list of websites where you can find travel grants and scholarships. Take a screenshot and keep it on your phone. Good luck with your search! Number 6. Camping. Camping is a fantastic way to travel for free or at a minimal cost while immersing yourself in nature and exploring new destinations. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple, or a happy family, camping eliminates the need for expensive accommodations, as campgrounds are often significantly cheaper than traditional lodging options and hotels, and in some cases, they may be entirely free. Many national parks, state parks, and public lands offer campsites at a fraction of the cost of other accommodations, making them an ideal choice for budget-conscious travelers. When it comes to food, camping allows you to save money by preparing your meals instead of relying on restaurants or takeout. You can bring your own groceries, cook over a campfire, or using your portable stove, and enjoy delicious meals under the open sky. It's not only a cost-effective option, but also a fun and immersive way to connect with nature and the joy of outdoor cooking. Camping also offers ample opportunities for adventure and exploration. You can choose from a wide range of camping destinations, including national parks, forests, mountains, and beaches. Each location offers unique experiences, such as hiking trails, fishing spots, wildlife encounters, and breathtaking landscapes. Number 7. Working in a travel-related industry. Working in a travel-related industry can be an exciting and rewarding way to explore the world while enjoying the benefits of free or heavily discounted travel. There are several avenues within the industry that offer opportunities to travel for free. For example, the hospitality industry, including hotels, resorts, and cruise lines, provides excellent chances for free travel. Many companies offer employee travel programs that allow staff members and their families to stay in their properties at significantly reduced rates or even for free. Working in the airline industry as a flight attendant or a pilot can also be a fantastic gateway to free travel. These positions often provide employees with free or heavily discounted flights, enabling them to visit domestic and international destinations during their time off. However, it's important to note that travel availability and standby policies can vary, so flexibility is key. Another way to travel for free is by working in a travel agency. This profession allows you to familiarize yourself with various destinations and travel offerings. Some agencies may even offer familiarization trips or educational tours for their employees, providing first-hand experiences of the destinations they promote. Similarly, tour operators and guides often have the opportunity to travel to multiple destinations while leading tours or scouting new itineraries. Although these positions may not offer completely free travel, they often provide complimentary accommodations, meals, and transportation, allowing you to explore different locations at a reduced cost. Number 8. Travel content creation. Working as a content creator in the field of travel, whether through a travel YouTube channel or a travel blog, can indeed open doors to a wide range of opportunities for free or reduced cost travel. However, it's important to note that achieving success in this field requires dedication, hard work, and consistent effort. Once you have established a decent following, you can start exploring collaborations with other travel content creators, travel brands, tourism boards, hotels, airlines, and other industry-related entities. Building relationships and partnerships can lead to sponsored trips, discounted or free accommodations, and various perks. However, it's important to maintain transparency and authenticity in your collaborations to retain the trust of your audience. Besides sponsored trips, diversify your monetization strategies to generate income. YouTube channel monetization through ads, brand partnerships, affiliate marketing, merchandise sales, crowdfunding, and Patreon memberships are some avenues to explore. Additionally, your blog can generate revenue through sponsored content, affiliate marketing, display ads, and selling your own products or services, so you not only have the potential to receive free tickets or accommodations, but also generate income through these various monetization strategies. Number 9. Hospitality exchanges. Hospitality exchanges, also known as home exchanges or house swaps, are a popular method for travelers to experience a destination without incurring accommodation expenses. It involves swapping homes with someone in another location, allowing both parties to enjoy a cost-free stay in each other's residences. This experience usually allows travelers to live like a local, explore authentic neighborhoods, and gain insights into the local lifestyle and traditions. Hosts often provide recommendations and insider tips to help guests make the most of their visit. Reputable hospitality exchange platforms include Home Exchange, Guest to Guest, and Love Home Swap. Remember that hospitality exchanges require mutual trust, open communication, and respect for each other's homes. Number 10. Frequent flyer miles. Frequent flyer miles are rewards offered by airlines to their loyal customers. Travelers earn miles by flying with a particular airline or its partner airlines, and the number of miles earned usually depends on factors such as distance traveled, ticket class, and membership status within the airline's frequent flyer program. Accumulated miles can then be redeemed for free or discounted flights, upgrades, lounge access, and other travel-related perks. Airlines companies frequently offer promotions and bonus opportunities to earn extra miles or points. Stay updated on these offers and take advantage of them to accelerate your reward accumulation. Also, familiarize yourself with airline alliances and partnerships. Often, you can earn miles with one airline and use them to book flights with partner airlines. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the world of free travel. We hope you've been inspired to explore without limits and make your travel dreams a reality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content on traveling smart and budget-friendly. Until next time, keep adventuring and see you in the next video.